Hi guys, good evening. So this is Rinku here. After a long time in Bangalore, it's rained, and due to that rain, you can see here water logging little bit. It absorbed because soil was uh, dry, lack of the rain. You can see here also some muddy. This is a remote area. Actually, this road leads towards the farm. I'm going towards the farm because जब भी बारिश होता है तो फार्म का एरिया जो है, खेत खलिहान का एरिया जो है, बहुत ही सुंदर दिखाई देता है. You can see that side also farm, and I'm heading towards it. So guys, here you can see in front of me, this is a maize farm, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं मक्के की खेती, मकई की खेती और समथिंग. देखिए कितना सुंदर सा दिख रहा है यह फार्म. आफ्टर 7 मंथ, 7 महीने के बाद आज बारिश हुआ है. देखिए अभी भी स्काई इज ओवरकास्ट. यू कैन सी ऑन द स्काई. प्रोबेबली इट विल रेन वंस अगेन. एंड दिस इज another part of the farm. You can see it's a very beautiful place. After a long time I came here to explore this farm area. बहुत ही कम बेंगलोर में ऐसे खेती का जगह दिखाई देते हैं, लेकिन fortunately where we live in this locality we have this kind of place. Take a look around this place. It's a very beautiful and peaceful place, just like our Assam often we can see.